Wait. Let me just tell you how I got here. At one point of a time, I was leading a very stable life, and then suddenly one day, I decided to leave everything with a tired mind and a tired body of a metro life. Sold some, kept some, and then came on wheels heading towards my hometown. I visited my family, gave myself some alone time for my mental growth, and lived in the nature to the fullest. After a few months, we packed and then we are headed back again, not knowing where to go next. We are still trying to figure it out, being in the middle of a stable life and being homeless. Home. It is such a strange word for me. From the past few months, I have lived everywhere and nowhere at the same time. This room, it is quite chaotic, but it is my living room today. Yesterday, it was a space in the front seat of a car, and a very unknown place in a completely different town. Tomorrow, who knows? It might be an empty space, an empty flat, or a caravan, or an unknown place which is completely different to me. People often think about being homeless is about losing a job, a house, or a stability. But what I meant is that right now I am not attached to anything and I am on a continuous journey. The most important difficulty that I faced during this phase was coming out of my comfort zone. The main priority was to adjust to a new situation. But, anyways, I still struggle a lot in adjusting to a new place and a new situation. But it is what is known as coming out of my comfort zone. Lately, I have been thinking about how capitalism has changed people's mind in buying things that we don't even need just because we see someone else with them. It's like we are stuck in this cycle of comparing and consuming, which is messing a lot in our happiness and priority. We sometimes do struggle financially, but I just wanted to live the life and live in the moment, whether it be in a place where I don't find comfortable with, whether it be in a place where I am actually living my dream. But this is what I wanted to, learn is that adjusting in a situation no matter what. Even though everything is changing frequently around me right now, there are some things that I'm trying to keep consistent within is to exercise at least 3 to 4 days in a week and spending my time with my loved ones plus eating healthy, which actually helps me in keeping my mind calm. What I learned from being homeless is that what they don't see is what you find. I have found enough freedom, enough resilience, and enough connection. There's this incredible sense of living moment to moment, no future worries, no past moments, just now. I have been lately very much inclined towards minimalism because it will actually teach you to let go of things which doesn't matter to you, and it actually feels so much lighter when you are not attached to things. For example, when I left my previous house, I was so attached to that house with the things I bought. I have always loved being in a space where I'm comfortable with the things. It was very, very difficult for me to, go away and leaving away the things that I have loved the most. But right now I feel like living in the moment what actually matters to me. If I stay in a place and if I always creep about ki I cannot let things go, I cannot let materialism go away from me, I would never be able to live my life what I actually thought about. This place is a part of our journey, and right now we are trying to figure out what we need to do next. We are planning to enter into the hotel industry, and we really want to travel a lot. And it doesn't matter whether we need to do luxury traveling or need to stay in luxury hotels. We just want to collect experiences and meet new people and be into different cultures where we actually understand what the world is about. We have always lived in a very small space where we feel like that things are our world, but we don't actually know the whole world is very big. Like there are a lot of things that we need to discover, and we need to learn new things every day. Every day is a lesson. Right now we are not after earning money, but also to live in the moment. We would like to experience more of that, and in the coming days I would really like to share things which I have felt and experienced. See you in another video. I'll come by soon, and thank you for hanging by. Bye.